We gather around tables laden with food, a rainbow of colors, a symphony of smells. But how much of what we see and smell reflects the true nature of our food? The modern food industry, while a marvel of efficiency and abundance, often prioritizes profit over health. This journey takes us behind the curtain, revealing the intricate ways in which industrial food production shapes our plates and impacts our well-being. It's time to ask ourselves, are we truly nourishing our bodies or merely satisfying cravings engineered in a lab? Our modern supermarkets overflow with endless choices. Aisles upon aisles of packaged goods promise convenience and flavor. Yet this abundance often masks a complex reality. Many of these readily available options are laden with hidden ingredients designed to enhance flavor, prolong shelf life, and increase profitability. While these additions may seem harmless at first glance, their cumulative effect on our health is a growing concern. The food industry employs a fascinating, albeit concerning, understanding of our biology. They call it the bliss point, that perfect combination of salt, sugar, and fat that sends our taste buds into overdrive. This manipulation of our innate desire for these elements keeps us coming back for more, often at the expense of our health. Think about your favorite snack food, the satisfying crunch, the burst of flavor, the feeling of instant gratification. These aren't happy accidents. They're the result of meticulous research and development, carefully calibrated to trigger the reward centers in our brains. This manipulation of our biology, while lucrative for corporations, can lead to overconsumption and contribute to the growing epidemic of diet-related diseases. The next time you're in the grocery store, take a moment to examine the ingredient list of your go-to products. You might be surprised by what you find. Additives, preservatives, and artificial flavors are often disguised under complex names, making them difficult for the average consumer to recognize. And consider this, that seemingly innocent yogurt parfait could contain more than 20 ingredients, many of which you wouldn't find in your pantry. From emulsifiers that improve texture to artificial sweeteners that mimic the taste of sugar, these hidden additives often serve a technological purpose rather than a nutritional one. Understanding what these ingredients are and how they impact our bodies is the first step towards making informed choices. Let's demystify some of these common culprits lurking on our ingredient lists. Take, for example, artificial sweeteners. Often touted as a healthier alternative to sugar, studies suggest that they can disrupt our gut microbiome, potentially leading to metabolic dysfunction and weight gain. Then there are trans fats, often hiding under the guise of partially hydrogenated oil. These synthetic fats, known to increase bad cholesterol and decrease good cholesterol, have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. The truth is, many of these additives have not been thoroughly studied for their long-term effects on human health. The lack of comprehensive research, coupled with the sheer volume of processed foods in our diets, raises concerns about the potential cumulative impact these substances may have on our well-being. Our sense of taste is a powerful force, intricately connected to our memories, emotions, and even our sense of reward. Artificial flavors created in laboratories to mimic the taste of natural ingredients capitalize on this connection, often delivering a burst of flavor that belies the true nutritional value of the food. Think about that artificially flavored strawberry yogurt. The vibrant pink hue and intense berry flavor might lead you to believe you're consuming a healthy dose of fruit. However, the reality is often far from the truth. These artificial flavors, designed to be more potent and longer lasting than their natural counterparts, can trick our brains into craving more, contributing to overconsumption and an unhealthy relationship with food. Section 6. Beyond the label, the long-term health implications. The implications of a diet rich in processed foods extend far beyond our waistlines. Emerging research suggests a strong correlation between the consumption of ultra-processed foods and an increased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of these dietary patterns, the evidence we have is compelling. The overabundance of refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients in many processed foods creates an imbalance in our bodies, leading to inflammation, oxidative stress, and a cascade of health issues that can manifest over time. Section 7. Real food, real consequences, examples from your plate. Let's bring this home with a few practical examples. Think about your morning cereal. Many popular brands are laden with added sugar, refined grains, and artificial flavors. That quick and easy breakfast could be setting you up for an energy crash, sugar cravings, and a higher risk of weight gain. Or consider that seemingly healthy protein bar. While marketed as a convenient source of nutrients, many are packed with processed soy protein, artificial sweeteners, and sugar alcohols, which can cause digestive discomfort. These examples highlight the importance of looking beyond marketing claims and scrutinizing ingredient lists to make informed choices about the foods we consume. Section 8. Reclaiming our plates, a call for conscious consumption. The good news is that we have the power to reclaim our plates and prioritize real, whole foods. By shifting our focus to minimally processed ingredients, we can nourish our bodies, improve our health, and break free from the cycle of cravings engineered by the food industry. Start by reading labels carefully and becoming familiar with common additives and their potential effects. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-rich foods provide the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants our bodies need to thrive. Section 9. Eating for the future. Building a healthier relationship with food. Ultimately, this is about more than just individual choices. It's about demanding transparency from the food industry, advocating for greater regulation of additives, and promoting access to healthy, affordable food for all. We must start viewing food not just as a source of pleasure or convenience, but as a vital component of our overall well-being. Let's cultivate a mindful approach to eating, savoring each bite, and appreciating the nourishment that real food provides. By making conscious choices about the foods we consume, we can take back control of our health, our plates, and our future. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand about what's in our food, the better equipped we are to make choices that support our health and well-being.